Hey, so just an update on how my week is going. This is a practical catch up. How am I doing? And basically what I promised this week to show you how I'm doing in my video. So where are we at? So last time I done this, we spoke about phase one, learning and building. What would I do? It would be a master no-code tools such as N8N and bot press. I would build 5 practice bots, screening bots, voice bots, and WhatsApp automation. Also, I would say that I would document everything on YouTube, which is why I'm here. So, this week's specific goal, week 1 was to understand N8N and build a simple functional robot. Something that works, whether it does something small, something large, something more. That was the only plan. So yeah, it's been a bit of a fun journey, which brings me to the I have no idea zone, which is, you know, I've opened N8N and started a project. Okay, this is terrifying. What the hell is a webhook? What are APIs? Why do I keep getting errors that I can't explain? They're so tough and it's so much going on. Connecting bots and then coming across issues. But just as more of a quick video as a documentation today, I actually just want to look a little bit into the N8N project itself and talk a little bit more about that and how I've got along with that. So with N8N, you know, I built a small bot, so I'm not trying to look away from you. The screen is this side for me. I just done it with when chat messages receive triggers, because I'm trying to, you know, get used to building it in general first, and then I thought I might be able to go back and actually change how it triggers. So judging by that, it should work in, you know, retrospect and actually thinking about it. So as you can see down here at the bottom, I've been trying to get it to say that it's essentially, I'm trying to make it tell me that it is busy. I've purposely filled a date within the check availability, but it's not doing it for some reason. And then I wanted to add an entry as well. So we're doing bookings. I'm trying to get it to take a booking, look into the calendar, see if it's free, if it's not free. If it's free, then I want it to book me in and take my details. If it's not free, then obviously the latter. I don't want it to book in, I want it to tell me it's not available. So I originally took this. Hello, I would like to book a haircut, please. For argument's sake. And, you know, it does a little bit of thinking, it does its thing. Hello, I'm happy to help you with the haircut. Could you please tell me the day that you'd like to come in? Perfect. Our shop is open Tuesday till Saturday. Perfect. And it's from 8 AM till 6 PM. Again, all of this is perfect. Are you free at 1 PM on the 17th of this month? Now, I know it's not free because I've put it already in my calendar that somebody's having a haircut that day. But when I tend to ask it, for some reason, it goes in, it checks it, and I've seen it roll. But it says we are free at 1 PM. So it's a struggle that I'm really getting around, and you're asking ChatGPT, and I'm contacting other people that work with it, and how do they get along? And to be honest, it's just constantly coming up. I know they have an inbuilt assistant, which I've tried that, hasn't worked. But really, those are like the main struggles I'm getting at the moment. I feel like APIs are crazy to understand, and webhooks are crazy, and I've looked into a lot of different things and really tried to understand it as best I can. Obviously, this is week 1. You know, we were expecting hurdles, but we weren't expecting high jumps. So yeah, I mean, have I got the basics down? I mean, to a minimal degree, but I do have faith, and I'm hoping you guys can have faith as well. So that you know, that's great. And let me know in the comments. You guys commented before. I really enjoyed that. Thank you so much. And I'm just trying to get through it all and learn it all. So if you have any help that you might be able to explain how I can get it to do that, that would be amazing, because I can't seem to find the answer. But I'm not going to stop trying. I just can't find the answer right now. So yeah, if you haven't seen my first video to see how we actually got to this point or what my long-term goals were going to be, you know, feel free to check that out. Please do like, share, and comment. It really helps me reach other people that might be able to answer some of my problems, and just help me understand the equipment as well itself. So yeah, if you're liking what you see, please do like again. Thank you so much for coming on this journey, and thank you for any support that you have given me or are going to give me. And thank you so much, guys. Take care and enjoy my journey.